The top 10 future inventions. Starting at number 10, the air-breathing rocket engine. Reaction Engines is currently developing a two-stage hybrid air-breathing rocket engine titled Sabre. The purpose of this engine is to be used on a 100% reusable spacecraft. If proven successful, this technology could change how we look at space travel. That's number 9, exoskeletons. Imagine having all your strength, speed, agility exponentially increased by just wearing a suit. These suits will become more cost-effective and could be readily available to the public in just a few decades. That's number 8, fully immersive virtual reality. Imagine roaming around in a world where you couldn't tell the difference between this world and the virtual world. Sounds like the Matrix? Well, the technology is developing faster than you think. This will very likely be the new playground of the future. Whether you want to be a cartoon, a superhero, or just connect yourself to a virtual machine, this is probably the coolest invention of all. At number 7, nanobots. One of the biggest game changers to the healthcare system. Injecting yourself with several milligrams of nanobots and having the ability to go from doing microsurgeries to getting rid of cancer cells. This can probably replace most surgeons and doctors, and nanobots can perhaps one day do a diagnosis and cure the person before even going to the doctor. Coming in at number 6, a cloaking shield. Cloaking abilities are effectively derived from metamaterials. Metamaterials can effectively bend electromagnetic waves around the object, essentially making the object invisible to that spectrum. The implications of this technology are huge and will likely be used in the military. That's number 5, a sustainable fusion reactor. Fusion power has the potential to exponentially output more than any currently used fission reactor. The ITER fusion reactor will produce more power than it receives, and in 2027, another full commercial reactor will be built. Lockheed Martin has also revealed plans for a miniature fusion reactor. That's number 4, a high output antimatter factory. One of the most powerful energy sources known to man, and being exponentially more powerful than fusion. 1 milligram of this energy source can power a spaceship to Pluto and back. Trapping antimatter is a very difficult thing to do, since it annihilates in contact with normal matter. Antimatter can actually be produced right now at the CERN facility. There are plans to mass produce and contain antimatter so that we could use it in the future. That's number 3, a quantum computer which surpasses a modern computer in processing speed. Normal computers work by manipulating bytes into a 0 or 1 state, while a quantum computer uses qubits, which can be 0 or 1 at the same time. Quantum physics is truly a strange but interesting field, and quantum superposition calculations can lead us into a very powerful quantum computer. Another potential future device is a quantum teleporter, which can transfer information instantaneously from one point to another using quantum entanglement. However, we're still far away from proving that information can be transferred through this process. At number 2, an android. A humanoid robot can help the disabled, infants, elderly, clean up a house, or become a best friend. These machines can effectively do every human task out there. There are several projects aiming to create androids that look and to a certain degree speak and act like a human being. However, creation of robots are still limited on power sources and intellect level, which leads us to the next invention. That's number 1, artificial intelligence. A creation which could have one of the strongest impacts on humanity. Bill Gates, Stephen Hawking, and Elon Musk warned that a machine with AI could grow too strong for people to control. However, AI has the potential to bring unlimited benefits to humanity if controlled right, and can even out-invent humans. There is nothing better than creating life itself, which is why AI gets the number 1 position. Thanks for watching.